There is a law most people never understand. The universe gives more to those grateful, not because it is beautiful, not because it is written, but because gratitude is a signal. When you say thank you from your heart, you tell the universe, I see what I have. I value it. I am ready to receive more. And the universe responds. It always responds. The one who says, I don't have enough, receives exactly that. More of the feeling of lacking. But the one who says thank you for what exists opens a channel where more arrives. More money, more love, more health, more joy. That is what we do today. Open that channel wide, fully, for real. This practice helps you release worry, open your heart, fill with love, and tell the universe, you are ready. Come back to this every day. It works every time. Find a position, sit or lie down. Let your hands rest, palms up. Open palms are receiving, not clenched fists, but open hands. Close your eyes. Take a breath in, slowly. Let the belly fill and breathe out all the way. Again, breathe in, breathe out. With each exhale, the body softens, tension releases, thoughts quiet. Again, in, out. Now just watch your breath. Don't control it. Just notice as it comes and goes on its own. In, out. In, out. The body settles. The mind stills. You are here, only here. In, out. Good. You are ready. Start with this place, where you are now. This place gave you silence, safety, space for yourself. Thank this place for the walls, for the roof, for the warmth. Millions of people do not have this, and you do right now. Feel that gratitude in your chest. Now remember, today, let the events pass before you like a kaleidoscope from morning until now. Remember everything. Every moment can be thanked, even what felt hard, because hard things mean growth. The universe making you stronger. Thank the first breath of this day, for the water, for food, for every conversation, for the thoughts that came, for the ideas, for the moments you smiled, for the people you saw. Thank this whole day just as it was, now wider, the whole week. Let its events move before you. Where there was joy, thank it. Where there was tiredness, thank that too. Tiredness means you were giving, you were trying, you were living. Remember the moments you were afraid but went anyway. When you doubted but decided. For this, a special thanks. When you move toward fear, the universe sees you are ready and opens doors. Thank your openness, your willingness to try. This is rare, and it attracts the new. Thank the abundance already around you. We often don't see it. We look at what isn't there and miss what is here. Look around you with your inner eye, how much life has given. Health, or parts of it. People close to you, or one person who loves you. The ability to think, to feel, to dream. This is wealth. Thank this abundance right now and say, I see this. I value this. I am ready for more. Thank your parents. You chose them. Your soul knew what it needed. They gave you life. They gave you a body. Through them, you came here. Imagine them before you and thank them from your whole heart. Thank your lineage, every generation before you. They lived through everything, through wars, through loss, through hardship, and still survived, still continued, so that eventually you appeared. You are the crown of this lineage. You carry in you their strength. Thank them. Thank all the people in your life. Every person is a teacher. Those who did good helped you grow. Those who hurt you also helped you grow, just differently. Remember them. There are so many people shaped your story. Thank each one for the lesson, for the meeting. Thank all the women of this world for tenderness, for strength, for beauty. All women are sisters. Thank all the men for courage, for action. Thank all the children for their purity, for open hearts, for reminding us how to find joy. Thank all the wise who share knowledge. That light passes, person to person. Thank your intuition. It told you truth, always, even when you didn't listen. Thank the moments you did listen and followed it. Those were the times things worked best. Thank your connection to something bigger, for the fact the universe hears you, for the fact it answers, always answers. Now thank yourself, the most important person in your life. Thank your body. It carries you every day, without days off. It breathes while you sleep. It heals while you rest. Thank your eyes that see beauty, your hands that create and embrace, your heart that loves even when it hurts, your voice, your mind, your sensitivity. This is not weakness. This is strength. Your courage, sometimes invisible, but always real. For moving forward, even when you don't know where. For your openness. For being here today. Hold yourself now. Hands on your chest. Feel that warmth spreading through you. You deserve everything good. By birthright, simply because you exist. Repeat inside, slowly. I am grateful. I am grateful. My heart is open. My heart is open. I see the abundance. I see the abundance. I am ready to receive more. I am ready to receive more. The universe hears me. The universe hears me. I am at a new level. I am at a new level. I love myself. I love myself. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Rest here. Just breathe. In, out. In, out. Feel how the body fills with warmth. This is the energy of gratitude. In this state, the universe hears you most clearly. When you are ready, begin to return. Feel your body, the surface beneath. Move your fingers. A deep breath in and out. Softly open your eyes. Carry this with you through your day. Notice the good. Say thank you for small things, for large things, for everything. And the universe will answer. It always does. Write one word in the comments. What you are grateful for today. I read every one. Subscribe so you don't miss